Good job. I think that's all for this counter. How about this counter? Meow. What's that? Another one. Okay. Can I have it? I'll give it to Daddy. I'll give it. Thank you. Okay, I think we see one more. Do you see one more? Do you see one more? Boink. It's okay. There you go. Yay! Oh boy. Do you think we found them all? Did we find all the eggs?
I think you did.
Anymore. I'm not seeing anymore. I think we found them all, Miss Lily.
So many eggs.
So many eggs.
So
Good
many
job, we found
eggs.
them all.
You say thank you, Easter Bunny.
Buck, buck.
Buck, buck.
It was from a commercial. From like ever ago. Maybe. Thank you, Easter Bunny. I think we found them all. Okay, say thank you, Easter Bunny. See you next year. Can you give big smiles?
Hey,
Big smiles.
I love you. I love you.
Did you say thank you to Nitro Thunder for helping you find the eggs? Say thank you, Nitro Thunder. Good job, Thunder. Come here, give me a kiss. Come here. Thank you. Okay. We'll go see what's in your eggs now, okay? All right. All done.